Good morning, Heights Eagles. My name is Mr. Schneider, and I teach kindergarten and first grade at our school, the Heights Community School. Today is Friday, May 28th, 2021, and for lunch we will be having a hot dog or a soy butter sandwich with crinkle-cut French fries and fresh strawberries. For our virtual learners, please remember to take a break from your iPad to have a good, healthy lunch and to drink a big glass of water. Remember, we do not have school next Monday, May 31st, because it is Memorial Day, so we have a 3-day weekend. Also, I'm excited to announce we are having a sign-making contest for our updated school garden area. You can make a sign with paper and art supplies or create it on your iPad. It should be on a regular 8.5-inch by 11-inch piece of paper, like printer paper or computer paper. It should say, "Welcome to the Heights Community School Garden." So maybe it'll look something like this. If you are an in-person student, you can deliver your sign to your teacher, I think by next week, Friday. But we'll give some more information on that too. And if you are a virtual student, you can take a picture of your sign or a screenshot too, and that would be a way to send your sign in, and then we will pick the sign that will represent our school in that garden area. A big thank you to the classes who have helped so far getting the garden ready. We will be doing some planting soon. Here are some corn seeds that we'll be planting. Here are some sunflower seeds that we'll be planting. And here are some bean plants that we'll be planting in the garden. Here are the bean seeds. And so it's getting pretty exciting with planting and growing things in the garden. And we should have a lot of fun getting our hands dirty and working in the soil. A tool that I've enjoyed using this week is called 5-finger breathing. Let's practice real quick. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I've used that a few times to help myself and some students that I work with calm down this week. Remember to always be responsible, be respectful, and be safe by wearing your mask over your nose and your mouth. Our call and responses have a great day, Heights Eagles. And you can say, "You too, Mr. Schneider." Have a great day, Heights Eagles. Have a great day and a great weekend.